Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our Punjabi kitchen vlog. Today, we're going to whip up a scrumptious Punjabi dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. First up, we've got some freshly chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. These ingredients are the foundation of many Punjabi dishes, and they're a must-have in our kitchen. Next, we're adding some hearty potatoes, which are a staple in Punjabi cuisine. They're not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Now, let's give our dish some extra flavor with a pinch of salt, a dash of turmeric, and a sprinkle of red chili powder. These spices will give our dish a delightful kick. And finally, we're adding some fresh coriander leaves for a touch of freshness. There you have it, folks. A classic Punjabi dish that's perfect for any occasion. Thank you for joining us in our Punjabi kitchen vlog. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!